First of all, thank you for having me here. So this is my first event, but it's my second day. I spent all day here. I've learned a lot. I walked around. So today I'm back for more because I find everything really very interesting. Before coming here, my knowledge of the community was completely different to what I know now, and I feel a lot of people should put effort to come and learn more about the Ahmadiyya Muslims and learn for themselves about what they are really about, because out there it's not always positive conversations about the community, but I feel coming here will really educate you. And yes, I'm looking forward to work with the community. As mayor, I've got 4 charities that I'm supporting in Rushmore, and the Ahmadiyya Muslim community have offered to sponsor some of my events, fundraising events. So I'm really looking forward to that.